In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create multi-page reports in Looker Studio. Multi-page reports let you separate insights into clear sections so viewers can move from a high-level overview to deeper analysis without feeling overwhelmed. Before we start, make sure you have a report you want to work on and that you have permission to edit it. If you manage multiple accounts, double-check you're signed into the right one to avoid opening the wrong workspace. Begin by opening Looker Studio in your browser. This brings you to the reporting area where all your existing reports live. From here, open the report you want to expand. If you already use folders or consistent naming, that will make selecting the right report quicker. Once the report loads, switch into editing mode by clicking Edit. You'll know you're in the right place when you see the editing toolbar and the data and style panels on the right. If you only see an interactive view with no editing controls, you're still in view mode. At the top of the screen, open the Page menu. This menu is where you manage the structure of your report. Choose New Page to add a fresh canvas. A blank page appears in your page navigation ready for content. This is a great moment to think about the purpose of this page. For example, you might dedicate it to an executive summary, traffic acquisition, user engagement, conversions, or channel performance. Keeping each page focused on one theme helps viewers find what they need faster. With the blank page ready, you can start adding charts. Use the chart tools to place the visualizations that best communicate your story. Time series for trends, scorecards for KPIs, tables for details, bar charts for comparisons. In the data panel, select the appropriate data source, then choose dimensions and metrics that match your page's goal. Be consistent with date ranges, filters, and styling so metrics align across pages. If your report uses themes, apply the same theme here to keep typography, colors, and spacing unified. When you've built one page, you can add more pages and repeat the process. Keep a logical flow from broad to specific and use clear page titles so navigation is intuitive. If your audience spans different teams, consider dedicating separate pages to each team's KPIs while maintaining shared definitions of metrics. That's it. You've opened your report, entered edit mode, created a new page, and started adding charts. Then repeat it as needed to build a structured, multi-page experience. With this approach, your Looker Studio reports stay organized, scalable, and easy for stakeholders to use.